agents have moved beyond chat. They're now handling real workflows like writing code, calling APIs, coordinating multi-step tasks. And when agents start producing real artifacts, practical question comes up. Where does that work live? Because in an enterprise, those outputs are not disposable. They need to live somewhere with permissions, version history, and collaboration all built in. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect OpenClaw to Box using the official Box skill. This way, we'll turn local agent output into governed, durable content. I'm Andrew, Senior Web Advocate here at Box. Let's get started. OpenClaw uses a simple skill-based model. So if the agent needs a capability, you just give it a skill. The runtime is going to handle the reasoning, and the skills expose tools the agent can use. Here, we're going to extend that model to content. This means that OpenClaw handles the reasoning, and Box handles storage. To make it all work, we use the official Box skill. Under the hood, this skill installs the Box CLI and authenticates using client credentials grant. So this works pretty cleanly in headless environments like Railway or CI. Now, from the agent's perspective, Box just becomes another capability it can reason about. So when it comes to creating folders, uploading files, searching content, generating shared links, the agent does not need to know about SDKs or APIs. It really just sees a tool surface. And because the Box API surface is so broad, the agent can actually orchestrate meaningful workflows without you having to build custom integrations for each one. Before you run the workflow, here's a quick setup. If you don't already have one, go ahead and create a free Box developer account. After you sign up, Box automatically provisions a default app for you inside the developer console. And that app already has pre-configured scopes and permissions enabled, so there's no extra configuration needed to get started. From here, you grab the client ID, client secret, and enterprise ID from this default app. Then, you drop those details into a small JSON file using this signature and just save it locally. After that, you install the Box skill to authenticate via client credentials grant. Once that's done, OpenClaw is connected to Box and ready to operate against it. All right, should be good to go. I started a new session here to give ourselves more space. And here, I'm going to ask the agent to find a public domain PDF of the Adventures of Sherlock Holmes, download it, create a folder in Box called Classic Literature, upload the file there, share the folder with a specific user, and finally, return the shared link. All right, looks like I finished. Now, nothing about that request is especially complex, but is realistic. The interesting part isn't the individual steps, it's that the agent coordinates external retrieval and enterprise storage in one flow without custom integration code. It's really just reasoning across tools, and Box is a key part of that tool surface. If we head back into Box, you can see the new Classic Literature folder right here. And inside it, we have our uploaded and shared novel. It has version history, it has permissions, and is fully shareable. Most importantly, it's not just sitting in a temporary workspace that might disappear when the runtime restarts. So instead of producing a disposable artifact, the agent created something durable inside a governed content system. And that's a real shift here. It's the difference between an isolated task and a workflow that can live in your organization. In the end, agents don't just need tools. They need durable systems to operate against. When you connect OpenClaw to Box, you're not changing how the agent reasons, you're changing where the work lives. And that shift turns local automation into something your team can actually use, share, and build on. If you want to try this out yourself, you can sign up for a free developer account. Then, connect OpenClaw using the official Box skill. Again, I'm Andrew. See you next time.